Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorial how to use Arch tool. Okay, I will select top plan and then click sketch. You can go to sketch view. If you want to draw art, you can click up these icons and we have 5 options. You can draw with 3 point, center and ends, rectangles, concentric and conic. So for the first, I will use 3 point. Can click like from this first point, second point, and I will click in here to set into 3 point. So you can click first point, second point, and then the third point. The other, you also can create art by using center and ends. So I will click center point in here, and point in here, and then you can create the art object like this. For the third, we can use tangent tools. So you need to 3 objects to use this option. So you can click, and then I will select this first object, second object, and then the third object. So it will be automatically create tangents between these 3 objects. The fourth, we can use concentric. So you can create by selecting the object. Like I will select this arch, and you can move to the top or to the bottom like this. Now you can set for the art objects in there. Okay. Press escape button to close. And the last, we can create art by using conic. So you need to select the objects. Like I will click from this point and then into here. We can create conic arts with this tool. So I will click again at this point into here. Then we can create conic in here. Okay, that's it for basic Creo tutorial how to use Arch tool. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.